Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best Yeti lid is probably one of the most essential accessories for any Yeti Rambler owner, especially if you're constantly on the go or prone to accidental spills. This innovative lid is designed to provide a secure, leak-proof seal, ensuring that your hot or cold beverages stay contained, no matter the bumps and jostles of your daily commute, outdoor adventures, or even just a busy household. It's engineered with durability and functionality in mind, aiming to enhance your drinking experience by preventing messy accidents and maintaining the temperature of your drink for longer periods, making it a worthwhile investment for anyone who relies on their Yeti tumbler. Number 5. Yeti Tumbler Replacement Lids, Pack of 4. Discover the perfect finishing touch for your drinkware. Explore our collection of complementary accessories to enhance your style. Designed to fit your 20-ounce tumbler perfectly. Enjoy a secure and leak-free experience with these replacement lids. Navigate your day with confidence. These lids provide a spill-proof seal, ensuring your beverage stays contained, no matter the journey. Keep your lids fresh and clean with ease. The removable slider allows for thorough washing, preventing buildup and ensuring a pure taste. Experience a perfect fit every time. These lids are engineered for seamless integration, creating a reliable seal to protect your drink. Enjoy your favorite drinks without worry. These lids offer splash resistance, making them ideal for on-the-go use. What we like. This pack of 4 offers great value and ensures you always have a spare. Its removable slider design makes cleaning a breeze, preventing mold and residue buildup. If you prioritize easy maintenance and a cost-effective solution for multiple tumblers, this is the one for you. What people say. It creates such a tight seal that you have to open the slider before you put it on, and then once the lid is on you can slide it closed. When the slider is closed, the tiny hole is sealed tight with a small piece of silicone. The top is made of sturdy high-quality BPA-free plastic, and I have had no problem cleaning it either by hand or in the top rack of the dishwasher. Number 4. Yeti Rambler Straw Lid Replacement Cap. This lid is designed to fit a wide range of Yeti Rambler bottles, from 12 ounces to 64 ounces. It also works seamlessly with DOCIK bottles, offering a secure fit for easy sipping on the go. Crafted from durable, non-toxic, and BPA-free plastic, this lid is built to last. It features a high-flow mouthpiece for smooth, leak-proof drinking, making it a reliable replacement for your everyday hydration needs. Enjoy convenient hydration with its screw-on design, wide opening, and flexible handle. Simply flip and sip through the smooth straw, no need to remove the cap. Its splash-proof design is perfect for all ages and activities. Each package comes with 2 long straws and a cleaning brush, ensuring easy maintenance. You can even trim the straws to customize the perfect fit for your bottle. Built for long-lasting performance, this lid is dishwasher safe for effortless cleaning. It's designed to support your safe, daily hydration routine. Experience fast, satisfying drinks with its high-flow mouthpiece and a lockable lid for worry-free carrying. It's perfect for workouts or outdoor adventures. What we like. This option comes as a complete set, including straws and a convenient flexible handle for easy carrying. The high-flow mouthpiece allows for effortless sipping without removing the cap. If you're looking for a convenient, all-in-one solution for hydration on the go, especially for active lifestyles or students, this is an excellent choice. What people say. It fits our Yeti bottles perfectly and makes drinking way easier, especially when we're on the go. No leaks, super easy to clean, and just works. This screw-on lid is perfect for any size Yeti Rambler. It actually works better than the Yeti lid I have for my smaller versions. As a senior citizen, I have arthritis in my hands and this lid screws on perfectly each time. Easy to clean. OE lid kept popping off when falling over. This one has more threads to screw in, and had not come loose yet bouncing around on the boat or tractor. Number 3. Hittoman Magnetic Spill-Proof Tumbler Lid. Introducing the Hittoman Magnetic Spill-Proof Tumbler Lid, designed to keep your drink secure. It's the perfect companion for your favorite beverages on the go. This lid is specifically engineered for Yeti 20-ounce tumblers, 10 ounces lowballs, 10 ounces mugs, and 16-ounce pints. Enjoy a snug fit and reliable performance. Featuring a unique magnetic slider, this lid offers effortless operation and easy cleaning. Simply slide to open or close, and remove the slider for thorough washing. Its splash-proof design makes it ideal for use in your car or any situation where spills are a concern. You can operate it easily with just one hand. Crafted from high-quality, BPA-free AS crystal clear plastic, it's impact and shatter resistant. This lid is built to last and maintain its clarity even after years of use. At Hittoman, we stand behind our products. We offer the best after-sales service, including replacements or refunds if you encounter any issues. What we like. Featuring a unique magnetic slider, this lid offers effortless one-handed operation for splash-proof protection. The crystal clear, BPA-free material is both durable and aesthetically pleasing. If you value convenience and a sleek design for your car commutes or daily use, this magnetic lid is a fantastic option. What people say. Being able to remove the slider is amazing as I drink coffee and then water out of my insulated cup. With previous lids it would get gunky around the sipping area. With this lid I am able to remove the slider and just soak it in very, very hot water daily to clean it like new. Great quality product that fits exactly as supposed to. Great seal, and good value. The lid fit my cup like it was made for it, but the most amazing thing to me is how easy it is to clean. Just pop the magnetic cover off and wash without worry about breaking a clip or something. Number 2. DOCIK Spill-Proof Replacement Lids. Tired of spills? Our replacement lids offer excellent compatibility with various Yeti tumblers and mugs, including 30 ounces, 32 ounces, and 14-ounce sizes. They also fit Swig 32-ounce tumblers perfectly. Crafted from food-grade, crystal clear AS plastic, these lids are shatter-resistant and BPA-free. You can enjoy your beverages with peace of mind, knowing they are safe to touch your drink directly. Featuring a unique rubber air hole, these lids help equalize air pressure when filled with hot drinks. This prevents hot steam from pushing the lid off, ensuring a safer drinking experience. Enjoy your drinks without any discomfort. The flip-top design rotates up to 160 degrees, preventing the lid from touching your nose. Sip, gulp, or drink with ease. Our lids provide an excellent seal thanks to the resilient black silicone gasket at the base. This ensures your tumbler is sealed tightly, preventing any leaks and keeping your drinks contained. These lids are also designed with a convenient straw hole. Enjoy your favorite cold beverages with a straw, all while keeping your drink spill-proof and secure. What we like. This lid boasts a unique rubber air hole for pressure equalization with hot drinks and a flip-top design that prevents nose touching. Its excellent sealing with a silicone gasket ensures zero leaks. If you frequently drink hot beverages or are particular about comfortable sipping without nose interference, this lid is designed for you. What people say. These replacement lids fit perfectly and stay on if cup tips over. The sip hole cover is hard to latch, but when latched, it is sealed and does not leak. There is only a straw hole, so there is no sipping hole on the lid. So your drink does not pour out through that hole. I always use a straw, so that's important to me. Number 1. Yeti 30-ounce tumbler straw lid. Looking for a replacement lid for your Yeti 30-ounce tumbler or other compatible Yeti cups? This flip straw lid is designed to be the perfect fit for various Yeti models, ensuring a snug and secure connection. Enjoy peace of mind with its spill-proof design, thanks to a tight silicone seal that prevents leaks. It also helps keep your drinks at the ideal temperature for longer, whether hot or cold. This lid boasts a stylish and practical design, featuring a sturdy double seal that opens and closes smoothly. It's built for both convenience and a secure fit. Crafted from high-quality, shatter-resistant, and BPA-free material, this lid is built to last. It remains crystal clear even after years of repeated use. Cleaning is a breeze as this lid is dishwasher safe. Simply place it in the dishwasher for a thorough clean, but please remember not to use it in the microwave. Please note that cup heights vary by capacity. If you are using this lid with smaller Yeti cups, you may need to trim the straw to the correct length with scissors for a perfect fit. What we like. This lid features a thick construction for enhanced insulation, keeping your drinks hotter or colder for longer. The sturdy double seal design ensures a secure closure, and it's conveniently dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. If you need a durable, insulating lid that's also easy to maintain, and you prioritize keeping your beverage at the ideal temperature, this is a solid pick. What people say. It's leak-proof and I can still have a straw. I like the folding spout to drink out of. Has a convenient leak-proof straw that happens to be flexible. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.